Okay guys, your car's not charging and it's stuck on the driveway where you can't reach it, right? And your crank or your amp starter, jump starter won't do it. And I can't reach it without any other vehicle other than to push it back. But if you're stuck like me on a place where you can't do much, right? So what I did is connect two cables. I know it's gonna be a little bit dark because it's getting dark. So I connected two cables to my journey, and we'll see how it goes. With I know one of the cables is real slim. It's not that good. So hopefully it'll pick it up. But if you're stuck with that dilemma, you just do that, and you can probably jumpstart your car that way. The other option was to push it all the way back, and I can't do that with fibromyalgia and costochondritis. My body hurts. I can't push this car anymore. If not, I would have just pushed it outside. So let's give it a try. It's been there only for about 3 minutes. Usually we'll give it a little more time, but maybe that helps. And let's give it a try. And there it is. Genius. Hey, give it a try, guys. That way, I thought about it. There it is. Did it. Okay, so what I did is connect two cables. Right. So I'm gonna disconnect one. I'm gonna try and do it with one hand. It's tough. And record. Hope I don't. No, I better not. Okay, so I'll show you when I'm done. I'm gonna put this down. Keep recording. Okay. You'll see me there. Okay, so again, put two cables together. Alright. That's basically what I did. So this was no good. Have it. Put one cable, one good large one, the other two connected right there, right? One to the other vehicle and the other one to the other one, and voila. Okay, no effort, no nothing. I just thought about it inside. How am I gonna do it? I said I got two pair of cables, connect them together, and it worked. Okay. Like and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you. Armando Games Jr. and Chucky Baby Monkeys. Bye.